Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel In-House Creator. Today I am traveling to Kolhapur. As you all guys know what Kolhapur is famous. Yes, you guessed it right, food. But today we will be trying something new. An authenticate tasty snack and a dessert. I left from Pune at 5:15 and reached Kolhapur by 9 pm. As the traffic was sparse, I reached Kolhapur within 4 hours. Also, the road conditions weren't that good. It was an awesome ride as Verna gave 26.2 km per liter of average. Yes, it has got 1.5 CRDI diesel engine. Here's our first spot, the Wings. It's in Tarabai Park near Aditya Tara Chowk. I had ordered heavenly wings with chipotle sauce. It is a must try. Now we have come to our second spot, that is Flavors, which is near Kavla Naka, Ayodhya Park. I like almost all the desserts on the list, but Choco Mud Pie is my personal favorite. Do try and share your views in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed the vlog.